Just smell that. And ooh, looky here, looky here. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another taste testing episode of Griddle Porn. Today we were at Mr. Beef in Chicago on Harlem Avenue. I'm not eating both of those yummy sandwiches. My lovely assistant is hiding. They can't see you waving.
Okay.
Would you like me to turn it?
No, that's okay.
She's being camera shy today. It's a bad hair day, she says. And I didn't tell her I was recording. So anyway, she got the Italian beef. I got the double cheeseburger with bacon. Because that's what I'm in the mood for today.
This way I can eat my Italian beef the way it's meant to be eaten, by shoving my face into it and no one can see me.
Dripping all that Italian beef juice.
Uh-huh.
Although she didn't get peppers and onions and all that good stuff on hers. But Mr. Beef is an old school Chicago. Nice good beef.
Mm-hmm.
Really good beef.
Uh-huh.
It'd be even better with peppers and onions. But
You beef your way, I'll beef mine.
she's got a beef with me today. Anyway, it's an old school, old-timey Chicago place with burgers, Chicago dogs, Italian beef, chicken, blah, blah, blah. The pizza looks really good. It's the thin crust, but it's the really, really thin crust, and it looks delicious. But enough of that. Let's see what this tastes like. That's a legit burger. Let's try one more just to be sure. That's a darn good burger. That's really good. The toppings are falling out. The buns dripping with everything. I spilt mustard on my britches somehow. So anyway, good food. Mr. Beef is a thumbs up. How about you?
Uh-huh.
She's too busy eating to talk. So I guess I should join her. There's the thumbs up. Thumbs up from me. Good job, Mr. Beef. So thanks for watching. Thanks for following. Thanks for your helpful comments, your putting up with me, and most of all, thank you for feeding my fragile ego. And we'll see you next time. Bye.